What's up, y'all? This Rosa back with another video. Happy Tuesday to you guys out there. So today is a small Walmart grocery haul. Today I'm gonna tell y'all how much everything was, and yeah. So I'm gonna get right into the video. Hope you can't hear no music. Let's get started with the video. So back here I have some Tyson chicken wings. I have uh, chicken tenderloins for $5.87. I have some beef liver for $2.51. This one pack. Here's the other pack. This was $2.42. I have some Bob Evans right here. Here's the other chicken tenderloins. This was $6.03. I have some smoked sausage right here. I have a can of whole corn, sweet corn, a box of pancakes and waffle mix buttermilk. I got the wrong can, so yeah. I also have the California vegetable mix. I have a loaf of Sara Lee honey wheat bread. I have ramen noodles chicken flavor 12 pack. And then I bought me this action camera grip from Five Below for my phone. This was $5. Let me move this out the way. I also got 4 cans of cream of chicken. So this 4 cans. That's 1, 2, 3. And here's the 4th can. I also have 2 of the ground beef hamburgers. I got 2 rolls of that. I also have broccoli cuts. I had 2 bags of those. I have a bag of taco blend cheese. Bananas back there. Flaming hot fries. Here's the other bag of broccoli cuts. I have a big roll of ground beef hamburger. I have 3 packs of the pasta slide chicken flavor. I'm going to be doing a TikTok video with this. I also have family pack of pork chops. They was $7.69. I also have some tortilla scoops. I have a thing of yellow mustard. I also have 2 boxes of corn jiffy mix. Can of dark kidney beans. 12 pack of the single American cheese. I also have a thing of Lipton onion soup mix. I have 2 packages of the taco seasoning mix. Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning mix. Slow cooker savory pot roast. I have 2 things of brown gravy mix packs. I also have this my back hurt. Chuck pork pot roast. It was $11.98. I also have a thing of cube steaks, and they were $6.85. I also have some John Morrell bacon. I also got a thing of smoked neck bones. They was $7.35. I got a family size of boiled in the bag white rice, a thing of chicken broth. I also got watermelon. They were $2.58. I also have some almond original milk, and I want to try that, and I got a gallon of milk. And that includes my grocery haul from Walmart. I had to do 2 transactions. The first one was $94.82, and then the second transaction was $37.82. And that includes my Walmart grocery haul, you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell to be notified when I drop a video. Until then, you guys, I hope y'all have a marvelous Tuesday. Thank y'all for watching. Peace out. Bye-bye.